she has a vocation to do, or is brought to that. Whatever she's doing it to the best of her ability. She's more blessed than a blackguard behind a pulpit who's away with the fairies. We are the blessed of the Lord. We are what we are. And whatever God has brought to us, we work with it. And we damn well know, don't we? Again, we don't look for high offices. We don't look for praise. We look for Jesus Christ. We look for heaven. We put the boot up the backside of Arminians and the rest of them. Don't shake their hands of them. No, we are the children of God. We're the beloved of God. God smiles upon us. And it won't be that long till we put two fingers up at this world. You know, I'm done with it. Go home. And you know, as we entered this world and saw this world and looked out on it, saw the manifestation of it, first time we ever saw it, wasn't it? We never thought that we were in the Lamb's Book of Life. We were there, we were alive in the Lamb's Book of Life. As the lively thoughts of God. That's all we were, lively thoughts of God. And then we've got a better world to go to. One greater than this. Far greater than this. And this world shall never be brought into remembrance. Not one bit. Sorrow and sighing shall flee away. God, we are put to it sometimes, aren't we? How we are put to it. Unbearable almost. Aye. And as we say, in a few years, all the pernicious Grahams of this world shall be publicised as being the greatest thing since sliced bread. Sanitisation everywhere by the neo-evangelical.